Hey Matthew, do you see this one in the grass? Look right here.
What's that? Look at that one right there.
I don't know, that one's pretty far.
There you go.
You wouldn't want to have to actually stand in the grass.
That was a hard one, huh?
What about the pink
Look,
one?
Matthew. Look, there's another one.
Step in the grass, I dare you.
Yeah, that one there. Yeah, that's easier. Yeah.
Look, Matthew. Look.
There's an easy one right there. Yeah. Oh, thank you.